Whether you use your vehicle for daily commuting, family road trips, outdoor adventures, or long-distance travel, the right accessories can make a huge difference. Today we're looking at some awesome Amazon car gadgets that help improve organization, comfort, safety, and overall convenience behind the wheel. Some of these products feel surprisingly advanced, while others are simple solutions to common driving frustrations. And yes, every product is linked down in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 1 on the list is this portable car refrigerator, and it's one of those upgrades that can completely change the way you travel. Unlike traditional coolers that rely on melting ice, this compressor-powered unit actively cools and can even freeze food, drinks, or other essentials while you're on the road. The digital temperature controls allow precise adjustments, and the 12-volt compatibility makes it easy to run directly from your vehicle. It's especially useful for road trips, camping adventures, tailgating events, and long-distance travel. Next comes number 2. This heads-up display brings useful driving information directly into your line of sight without forcing you to constantly glance down at the dashboard. Most models connect through the vehicle's OBD system and can display speed, RPM, voltage, fuel consumption, navigation directions, and warning alerts in real time. Automatic brightness adjustment helps maintain visibility during both daytime and nighttime driving. It's a simple upgrade that gives older vehicles a more modern feel while helping drivers stay focused on the road. Moving on to number 3, this 9-in-1 cigarette lighter splitter helps solve one of the biggest problems in modern vehicles, not having enough power outlets for all your devices. It expands a single outlet into multiple charging options, including USB ports, Type-C charging, and additional DC connections. Independent power switches allow better control over connected accessories while helping reduce unnecessary power usage. It's especially useful for powering dash cams, refrigerators, navigation systems, air pumps, smartphones, and tablets at the same time. Coming in at number 4, this foldable portable air mattress transforms the rear seating area into a surprisingly comfortable sleeping space. It inflates quickly and fills the footwell gap to create a flatter surface that supports better rest during travel. Many versions include inflatable pillows, side cushions, and separate air chambers that allow firmness adjustments based on personal preference. Once deflated, it folds down compactly for convenient storage. It's an excellent addition for road trips, camping, overnight stops, and emergency travel situations. Sliding into number 5, this cooling car seat cushion helps make hot weather driving far more comfortable. It plugs into your vehicle's power outlet and uses built-in ventilation fans to circulate air through the seat surface while you sit. The breathable materials help reduce heat buildup, sweating, and discomfort during long drives. Most versions include multiple fan speed settings for customized cooling performance. It works with a wide range of vehicles and is especially useful for summer commuting, road trips, and leather interiors. Up next at number 6 is this 4K dash cam, designed to capture incredibly detailed footage while driving in both daytime and nighttime conditions. The higher resolution helps record license plates, road signs, surrounding vehicles, and important details much more clearly than standard dash cameras. Features like loop recording, parking surveillance, collision detection, and wide-angle coverage provide additional protection when your vehicle is on the road or parked. Many models also include Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing footage to be viewed and downloaded directly to your smartphone. Taking the number 7 spot, this rooftop cargo carrier provides valuable extra storage space without sacrificing passenger comfort inside the vehicle. The waterproof construction helps protect luggage, camping equipment, sports gear, and travel essentials from rain, dust, and road debris throughout the journey. Heavy-duty straps and reinforced attachment points help keep everything secure at highway speeds. When not in use, the carrier folds down for compact storage. It's a practical solution for family vacations, outdoor adventures, and situations where cargo space becomes limited. Next comes number 8. This wireless magnetic charging phone mount combines secure device mounting with convenient cable-free charging. Strong magnetic alignment helps keep your phone firmly in place even during sudden braking, sharp turns, or rough roads. At the same time, wireless charging keeps the battery topped up while using navigation, music streaming, or hands-free calling. Adjustable viewing angles improve visibility without blocking important controls. It's a simple upgrade that helps create a cleaner dashboard while improving everyday driving convenience. Rolling into number 9, this electric car jack kit takes much of the effort out of changing a tire during roadside emergencies. Instead of manually lifting the vehicle, the jack operates through your car's power outlet and raises the vehicle automatically. Many kits also include an electric impact wrench, LED work light, gloves, and storage case for additional convenience. The stable lifting design works with many cars, SUVs, and light trucks. It's a valuable emergency tool that can save time and physical effort. Now coming at number 10, this 360-degree rotatable headrest car fan helps improve airflow for passengers sitting in the rear seats. The dual fan setup mounts directly onto the front seat headrests and can be adjusted in multiple directions to circulate air exactly where needed. Most models offer multiple speed settings to match different comfort preferences. It's particularly useful in vehicles with limited rear air conditioning performance. During hot weather, long drives, and traffic jams, it can make the cabin feel noticeably more comfortable. And hey, if any of these caught your attention, every product link is waiting for you right down in the description below. Moving on with number 11, this backseat extender for dogs creates a larger and more secure travel space for your furry companion. The hard-bottom platform bridges the gap between the rear seats and footwell, giving pets a stable surface to sit, stand, or stretch out comfortably during trips. It also helps protect your seats from scratches, dirt, shedding hair, and accidental messes. Many versions include waterproof materials, storage pockets, and seatbelt access points, making it a practical upgrade for pet owners who travel frequently. Next comes number 12. This car laptop mount turns your vehicle into a convenient mobile workstation whenever needed. It securely supports laptops, tablets, notebooks, food trays, and other devices while allowing multiple adjustment options for height, angle, and positioning. The sturdy mounting system helps maintain stability during use, while the foldable design makes storage simple when it's no longer needed. It's especially useful for rideshare drivers, field technicians, delivery workers, remote professionals, and travelers who occasionally need a functional workspace on the go. Moving on to number 13, this car headrest tablet holder helps keep rear passengers entertained and comfortable during long drives. It mounts securely between the front seat headrests and supports a wide range of tablets and smartphones, including larger devices like iPads and Galaxy Tabs. The adjustable arm and rotating design allow viewers to find a comfortable viewing angle while helping reduce neck strain. Anti-slip grips keep devices secure even on rough roads, making it an excellent addition for family trips and daily commuting. Sliding into number 14, this wireless CarPlay screen gives older vehicles access to many of the smart features found in newer cars. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth calling, music streaming, GPS navigation, and voice assistant functionality without requiring a complete stereo replacement. Most units mount directly to the dashboard and connect quickly through Bluetooth or auxiliary input. Some models even include backup cameras and integrated dash cam support. It's an easy way to modernize an older vehicle with minimal installation effort. Coming up at number 15, this window breaker and seatbelt cutter is a compact emergency tool that can become incredibly valuable during unexpected situations. The hardened steel tip is designed to shatter side windows quickly if doors become inaccessible after an accident, while the concealed blade safely cuts through jammed seatbelts when every second matters. Its small size allows easy storage inside a glove box, center console, or door pocket. It's a simple safety accessory that provides added peace of mind for drivers and passengers. Next comes number 16. This 4-in-1 handheld cordless car vacuum helps keep your vehicle cleaner without relying on bulky cleaning equipment. In addition to vacuuming, many versions can also blow dust, inflate small items, and reach tight spaces using specialized attachments. The cordless design allows greater freedom when cleaning seats, floor mats, vents, cup holders, and trunk areas. Strong suction power helps remove crumbs, dirt, pet hair, and debris efficiently. It's a practical tool for maintaining a cleaner and more comfortable interior. Taking the number 17 spot, this foldable cordless washer delivers portable cleaning power almost anywhere. The rechargeable battery system eliminates the need for constant power access, while the adjustable multifunction nozzle allows different spray patterns for various cleaning tasks. It works well for washing vehicles, bicycles, outdoor furniture, camping gear, windows, and more. The built-in display helps monitor battery status and performance during use. Thanks to its compact foldable design, it stores easily inside the trunk and remains ready whenever cleaning is needed. Moving into number 18, this collapsible car trunk organizer helps eliminate clutter and keeps important items neatly arranged during travel. Multiple compartments make it easier to separate groceries, emergency supplies, tools, sports equipment, and everyday essentials instead of letting everything slide around freely. Reinforced walls help maintain structure while carrying heavier items, and many versions include side pockets for additional storage. When not in use, the organizer folds flat to save space. It's a simple upgrade that makes trunk organization significantly easier. Coming in at number 19, this Windshield Sunshade umbrella offers a quicker and more convenient way to protect your vehicle from excessive heat. Unlike traditional folding sunshades, it opens and closes just like a standard umbrella, making setup remarkably fast. The reflective material helps block sunlight and UV rays that can damage dashboards, steering wheels, touchscreens, and upholstery over time. Its compact, folded size allows easy storage inside door compartments or seat pockets. It's a practical accessory for maintaining a cooler cabin during hot weather. And finally, wrapping up the list at number 20, this windshield cleaner tool makes one of the most frustrating interior cleaning jobs much easier. The extendable handle helps reach deep corners of the windshield without awkward stretching, while the pivoting cleaning head follows the glass surface more effectively. Reusable microfiber pads help remove fingerprints, dust, haze, and streaks that can affect visibility during driving. It's especially useful during rainy weather, nighttime driving, and colder seasons when interior glass tends to fog more frequently. So there you have it, 20 awesome car gadgets that can make your vehicle smarter, more comfortable, more organized, and a whole lot more enjoyable to drive. All the product links are waiting down in the description below. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more cool Amazon finds and must-have car gadgets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.